Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to list your property on Airbnb mobile app. Let's get started. First, open the Airbnb app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, tap the profile icon at the bottom right of your screen. Then tap on Become a Host. Tell Airbnb what kind of place you are listing, enter your address and location so guests know where you are. Then add how many guests your space can fit and the number of bedrooms and bathrooms. Upload clear bright photos of your space, bedroom, living area, kitchen, bathroom, and any special features. Good photos help attract guests. Write a short and friendly description of your place. Mention what makes it special, nearby attraction, and what guests can expect. Choose your rate and set any cleaning fees. Set your calendar availability when your place is ready for guests. Tap publish and your listing goes live. And that's it. Now you are ready to welcome guests and start earning. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.